welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't made a ton of videos like often because like quarantine and school and other extracurriculars and stuff like that, so I'm sorry that I've been busy. I got braces if y'all can't see that. Yeah, so during quarantine I was sharing a computer with my younger sister Jocelyn, and that was a pain in the butt. So I was like, Dad, I need a computer like ASAP. I have my iPad, but it's not the same, and like it's time. Like last time I had a computer I got when I was like 9 or 8 or something like that, so it was time for a new computer, and I can just like take it to college when I do go to college and stuff like that, so I can already have it, you know what I mean? So he was like, yeah, okay, let's get one. So I decided to get a MacBook Pro. It's the 13-inch with the 512 storage capacity thing. So yeah, we're gonna do an unboxing. I hope you guys like it. I'm not bragging at all, I'm just like showing y'all what I got, if that makes any sense. I'm very grateful for my dad getting this for me and being able to get it for us, to get our schoolwork and everything done on it and things like that. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Put some comments on what y'all want to see and things like that. But other than that, I hope you guys like the video, and yeah, love y'all. Computer's finally here. Coconut's barking. Coconut, is it here? I have to go grab some Lysol to spray it down because who knows, quarantine, corona. Oh shoot, there's no Lysol. Let me go find some Lysol. Just kidding. My mom's gonna spray it down with Clorox thing stuff. The package is secured. It's wet still. Hold up. So let's start the unboxing. So I'm so excited. Like, I don't think you understand how excited I am for this. Okay, so let's see if I can. Okay, first off, before we open it, I got a 13-inch MacBook Pro. It has a lot of stuff that I don't understand, honestly, but it has okay, for some reason it has a headphone jack. Why does it have a headphone jack if Apple doesn't make like those types of headphones anymore? Anyways, it has a backlit keyboard. It has oh, I got the one with the 512p, the storage. That's the one I got. So let's just open it up because I'm anxious to open it up. Let's see if... Okay, please don't let me struggle with this. Like, I literally just cannot open it. I think I'm gonna... No, I got it. Oh, okay. Hold up. Like the plastic and everything when it got delivered, so don't worry, it's all clean and everything. Okay. Are we ready for this? Okay, why am I nervous? Like, I'm excited, but I'm nervous. Come on. Okay. Oh. I mean, why does... Okay, this looks... I love the color. I got like... I think it's like the... space gray, the color of my phone. That's why I got this color. And it like just looks so much nicer than the silver. Okay. Let's take this sleeve off. Wait, yeah, let's take the sleeve off. This is so satisfying. Like, what? Okay. Oh! I did not just hit it against the wall. That did not. Okay? Nope. Okay, before we get on to the actual computer, regular charger. Does this thing have stickers? I get excited about the stickers. I don't even use them. I just get excited for them when I can't even, what? Instructions that I don't think anyone reads. They're just in there. Like, no one reads them. Okay, throw those to the side. Actually, let's just put them back. Oh, and this is actually a lot bigger than the other ones, but no, it's fine. Okay, now on to the actual computer. I'm just, this one is, okay, are you ready for this? Oh my god, okay, it is pre-charged. Wait. Why am I so excited? Okay, it's loading. It's loaded. It's asking for the language. So, English, of course. English. It's loading. We are waiting. Okay, it's asking just in a few steps, can you register and set up your Mac? Country. Oh, United States. Continue. Okay, Wi-Fi. What is my Wi-Fi? Good question. Oh, that's the wrong, oh, is it the right password? I really don't know. We are connecting, it's connecting. Why? I'm so excited to just play around with it. It's like a toy for me. I mean, for anyone, honestly. But, come on, why is it taking so long to record? To load. Okay, continue. Transfer information, nope. Don't transfer information now. Apple ID. Terms and condition, agree. Agree, computer, Nadely Abdalla. We are waiting for it to load. It's creating an account. I'm just excited for it to just like pop up, you know what I mean? Waiting. It's so clean. Oh, and the trackpad is like so much bigger than my old computer. It's like insanely long. And then they were saying something about the, what's it called? The keyboard? Something about butterflies. I mean, I get what they're saying. It just mean it doesn't click like the other ones are. Is that what, I really don't know what it means. I did not look into that, but the trackpad is a lot bigger. Okay, and the touch bar. Do not get me started on the touch bar. It's so cool to me how they like incorporated like basically a mini screen as the, I don't know. I need to play with it, but that's like one of the things that I wanted on my new computer because it's one of those new things that everyone wants. Okay, continue. It's taking so long. Come on, I want to play with it. Find my, yes. Continue. Yes, share. Screen time. Oh, there's screen time on this one. Yes, Siri. Oh, wait, yeah. Continue. We have to set up. Hey Siri.
Yes.
Oh, not you, not my watch. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Okay, not you. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? It's making me ask all these questions so I can set up Hey Siri. I don't know what a lot of these things mean if I'm being honest, but Touch ID, we're doing Touch ID. Place your finger, lift your finger, place your finger, lift your finger, place your finger. Apparently if you, like, every time it says place a finger, lift your finger, you switch their fingers in between so it has two people's fingerprints on it. And it actually worked. I did that. I don't know, I think a friend told me about it and it actually works. So if you're sharing a computer with anyone, a family member or anything, and they have Touch ID on it, just switch the fingerprints every time you like put it down, if it makes any sense. Do Apple Pay yet? Or later, set up later. Okay, what should I do? Choose your look, light, dark, or auto. Is it auto? I don't know how you say that word. Let's do, I kinda wanna do, let's do auto. Continue. Setting up my Mac. It's setting up my Mac. Why am I so excited? It's setting up. Why does this process take so long? Like I just want to play with it. But no. There we go. Oh, okay. Google account added. My calendar can use my location. Turn on. Oh, what? Okay. We're doing Open Safari. I really don't know what this is doing. Later an hour. Ooh, hi FaceTime. We're doing all this later. I don't want to do it right now. But yeah, guys, that's the unboxing of the. Okay, let's close this for a second. Let's unbox this. So I already opened it. Not opened it completely, but I USB-C to USB. So these computers USB for some reason. Don't ask me. My dad said, honestly, I really don't know the technical reasons for it, but I had to purchase this so I can send information to my phone or from my camera to my computer or whatever I'm doing. But okay, I really don't know how to open this. Oh, there we go. Hold on. I struggle with packages. Okay. Oh, yeah. So you just like plug it in there, I guess. Is that how you do it? There we go. Okay. But yeah, guys, this is basically it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry that if the video wasn't really an unboxing, it's just me talking and being frustrated over how long the setup was. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love y'all. Bye. Have a good day.